Want a beast of a machine that crushes games and productivity? Let's go. First up, the brain of your beast, the Intel Core i9-14900K or AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D. These powerhouses handle gaming, editing, and more without breaking a sweat. Next, graphics. Go for the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 or AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. 4K gaming and AI workloads, these cards have you covered. Motherboards, the Asus ROG Maximus Z790 Extreme or MSI Meg X670E Godlike. PCIe 5.0 DDR5 RAM advanced cooling, they're ready for anything. RAM, 64GB of blistering DDR5 6000 MHz multitasking, no problem. Storage, 1TB NVMe SSDs like the Samsung 990 Pro plus a 4TB SSD or HDD for your massive game library. Power, a 1000W, 1200W platinum rated PSU like the Corsair RM1000X. Future upgrades, sorted. Cool it down with an AIO liquid cooler like the NZXT Kraken Z73. Stable temps, even under pressure. Cases, Lian Li PC011, Dynamic XL or Corsair 7000D Airflow. Spacious, cool and stylish. OS, Windows 11 Pro. Optimized for gaming and productivity. Monitor, Samsung Odyssey G9 or Asus ROG Swift PG32 UQX. Immersive visuals and high refresh rates. There you have it. The ultimate 2024 build for gaming and productivity. Like, subscribe and happy building.